Yo, chill out really quick. It's Blake from the Project Alpha. I'm sure you know of me from a couple of my YouTube videos. But really quick, let me tell you a simple 3-step system that allow you to finally push autopilot on your credit repair business. And for anybody that's telling you that, guys, it's so difficult scaling a credit repair business, it's not. They're wrong. Let me break it down to you literally in 3 steps. So give me about 20-30 seconds. The first step is you need a consistent supply of leads coming to you. You don't want to be chasing after them because when they come to you, it allows you to charge more. So what I always tell people to do is put out some value and then retarget that SHIT with some ads. And I know what you're thinking, Blade, I don't want to run ads. That sounds so complicated and just overwhelming. Yeah, F that. I always tell people to hire somebody smarter than you. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be getting a $3 an hour virtual assistant that you can just leverage from the Philippines because the minimum wage is like $1 an hour. You're going to give them my paid ads course. They're going to take that course and they're going to start working tomorrow for you. Step number 2, all those leads that are coming in, you need to turn them into pre-qualified, confirmed appointments. So step number 2 is we have a powerful CRM. I call it the CRM on steroids that utilizes AI to take those leads and turn them into booked appointments that are actually going to show up to these sales calls. Now, I know what you're thinking, Blade, I already have Credit Repair Cloud. No! Credit Repair Cloud handles the fulfillment. This CRM is a CRM to onboard clients. In addition to that, this powerful CRM, we have an app for. So if you ever want to check up on the progress, check your phone. Step 3 is to finally close them deals, baby. And I know if you're like me, you like to be on the beach with a couple of sexy ladies and you like to drink your margarita and not have to worry about sales calls all day. You don't want to be on the phone 25/8. Well, I understand that. That's why we're going to get you a couple of commission-based closers. These commission-based closers, you're going to get them. They're going to read off our script and they're going to close deals for you while you sleep, baby. So guys, if you're interested in a fully hands-off approach to scaling your credit repair business, to finally being able to push autopilot on your credit repair business, click the link down below, fill out my little quick survey to see if we'd be a good fit, and then let's hop on a call and let's actually implement this into your business. And I know what you're thinking already. I know it. This is gonna be another 6-week effing course where it's all fluff, and the last week, the last day, I'm finally gonna get all the juice. F that. I took so many of those courses and I'm freaking sick of them. So what you're gonna get is you're gonna get the exact systems, the exact assets, my ads. You're gonna get everything you need to actually implement this autonomous credit repair business with no fluff. My students before was able to implement this entire autonomous credit repair business in a box in literally a week with only 20 minutes a day. Think about that. Think how much better that is than just a 6-week course. 20 minutes a day in a week. And you go then. Because there's no point in just reading fluff. Let's get straight down to business. Let me show you what you need and let's scale your credit repair business. Click the link down below, fill out that survey, and let's get on the call today. Because we only have 6 more spots available. Any more than 6 spots, it just won't be fair for everybody. So guys, become one of those 6 people and finally add some scalability, finally add some predictability into your credit repair business. More importantly, finally add some freedom to your life. Click the link down below and I'm excited to talk to you.